The Wilkes Center Climate Prize at the University of Utah was created to inspire ideas and innovations to reduce global climate change. This inaugural year's prize goes to Lumen Bioscience, located in Seattle, Washington. Their technology is designed to reduce methane in the atmosphere. Methane is 80 times more potent than carbon dioxide in warming the Earth. Cattle are the #1 agricultural source of greenhouse gases worldwide.
Whenever we think of cattle, we have to think of their burps. When they eat, it goes to their first stomach, which is called the rumen, and they regurgitate and they chew. And as they're doing that, they spit up more and more of this methane. If you can get cattle to stop emitting methane, it will have an effect by slightly cooling the planet.
Climate change is not only impacting our lives right now, but it will profoundly impact the lives of my children in the future and future generations to come.
To reduce that impact, Lumen Bioscience has bioengineered a process using spirulina, a photosynthetic microbe that is exceptionally protein and vitamin rich that kills methanogens in cows' stomachs, thereby reducing methane emissions.
In order to help demonstrate that the spirulina platform has the capability to solve particular problems, we have to break up the problem. While we can do something at the bench, we also have to be able to demonstrate that it has efficacy in the field.
This cyanobacterium has been eaten in Africa and Central America for over 1,000 years, and it's been cultivated at very large scales in the United States since the 1970s.
We knew from the outset that the spirulina platform had broad application. And when this opportunity to go into climate control, I thought it was just a wonderful application of what we built.
The Wilkes Center for Climate Science and Policy and the College of Science awards a $1.5 million international prize to Lumen Bioscience to further their groundbreaking work in reducing methane emissions.
The vision of this prize really comes from Clay and Marie Wilkes' founding of the Wilkes Center, and this was a key part of the Wilkes Center mission from its inception. What's exciting is that enthusiasm has now grown. We've expanded this prize and partnered with other groups around the state and the country, and there's a lot of potential to take these ideas and to grow them and to have an even bigger immediate impact on the climate problem.
We cannot just focus on basic research in a lab in the ivory tower, so really want to engage the best minds around the world to come up with solutions.
The urgency of the problems that we see today in our backyard, every summer, every winter, fire seasons, low snowpack, a shrinking Great Salt Lake, it gives us an immense amount of motivation, and I would say really helps us connect with people and connect beyond the university.
So I think having a prize like this makes a big difference because it focuses attention, it can galvanize creativity, it gets people looking and finding and highlighting solutions.
So when we learned that we had won the Wilkes Prize, tremendous excitement. Everybody is so enthusiastic. We know we're onto something. It's a new idea, and so there aren't established funding channels to chase new ideas. It's an aspect of the innovator's dilemma, famously. So this really fractures that dilemma for us and creates a path, and something I think could make a huge impact on the world.
The Wilkes Prize stands out because it's recognizing an idea that has enormous potential and is very innovative, but it's not something that's completed. It's recognizing an idea that has a future, has future potential.
It is the hope that the Wilkes Climate Center Prize at the University of Utah will foster solutions that will contribute to the world's knowledge and preserve our quality of life. And that's the best prize of all.